TRON, TRX, is a standout project in the blockchain world with a vision of building a decentralized internet, founded by Justin Sun in 2017. Initially launched as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network, TRX became an independent blockchain in 2018 when it migrated to its own network. This was TRON's first major step toward establishing its own ecosystem and is one of the features that sets it apart from many other tokens. The main goal of TRON is to allow digital content creators to deliver their work directly to users without intermediaries. This is particularly beneficial for artists, musicians, and content creators, as it enables them to earn revenue directly and more fairly. The TRON platform also provides a robust infrastructure for decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts. The TRX token sits at the core of this ecosystem, serving functions such as financing transactions, executing smart contracts, and participating in governance. Technically, TRON uses the Delegated Proof-of-Stake DPoS mechanism. In this system, TRX holders vote to select super representatives who maintain network security and produce blocks. This structure allows the network to process transactions both quickly and with minimal fees. TRON's three-layer architecture, core, storage, and application layers, offers flexibility to developers and users, making it easier to develop smart contracts and DApps. One of TRON's most notable advantages is its high transaction speed and extremely low fees. These features make it ideal for microtransactions and DeFi applications. Additionally, TRON supports Ethereum's Solidity language, allowing Ethereum developers to migrate projects to TRON easily, which further strengthens its growing developer community. Looking at its use cases, TRON plays a strong role in digital content sharing, DeFi applications, and the gaming ecosystem. Content creators can reach consumers directly, users can engage in lending, borrowing, and trading through DeFi, and game developers can secure digital ownership of in-game assets. This makes TRON more than just a token, it is a comprehensive digital ecosystem. Looking ahead, TRON continues to update and improve its network. The TRON 4.0 upgrade aims for faster and more efficient operations. Its decentralized governance model encourages community participation, further enhancing the network's sustainability. TRX is traded on major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, Bitfinex, and Huobi, and can be purchased via bank transfer, credit card, or other cryptocurrencies. In my opinion, the most remarkable aspect of TRON is the freedom it gives content creators and its promotion of DApp development through low-cost transactions. If you are interested in decentralized applications or want to deliver content directly to audiences, exploring the TRON ecosystem is definitely worthwhile. Following this project could open the door to being part of the future digital economy.